Right, hello everybody. My name is Mashaya Mtetwa, the former students of Inkosi Albert Luthuli Secondary. I concluded matric here at the school in 2015. Today it's a matric prayer, so I decided to take it upon myself that I should give back to the community as well as the teachers all together. Because I've been here and I know the struggle from this school when coming up. So teachers have never been accredited, they've never been recognized. So as a student who have done well in terms of life and business as well. So I was like, let me go back to the school and give teachers a motivation, show that whatever they're doing, each and every effort that they're applying, they must not lose hope. They must always be consistent and trust that one of the students may not be the whole class, may not be the entire class, but one of the students is listening. Especially for the matriculants, we wish them well on their exams. We wish that they also get to see that even though it may not be out of qualifications, even though it may not be what you want in life, but there are other ways of being successful. So I wish all the matriculants from this school and all schools abroad a very great and successful examinations.
As a former student, isikole mhlambe yiphi ama-challenges owawabona ukuthi abafundi babhekana nawo ofisa ukuthi mhlambe bangalekelela kuwona as they prepare for ama-exams?
So being here, it's different now, it's better, because from the time where I was a learner in this very same school, it was very challenging. Students were very abusive, the community was invading the school at all times, so it was always chaotic. So one of the things that I realized that if I could change something in the school, it would be to give students hope. It would be to consistently appear and show that there is a sparkle of positivity and they should not give up. So in terms of material, in terms of support, if there's someone outside who comes in and to show students that they can do it too. So the reason why I do what I did is to showcase the very same thing as part of the school. I've donated like 10 packs, 10 boxes of printing paper, and I've also done some packs for the students as well. What else to it? There's a lot of things that I've done. So, but I'm trying by all means to make sure that I cover the gap, I mitigate whatever lacking that might be there. I may not be able to do everything entirely, but whatever I see that I can do this, I have the power to conclude, then that's what I do.
Need to shoot film quality content creators?